Greetings from Sköndal on Lake Drevviken, and it's time for another beach adventure with Kris. And I found this nice spontaneous nude beach spot here in the nature along the coast of Lake Drevviken. There are some rocks here and there, and quite cold day, I must say. Just 16 degrees Celsius in the air. Definitely not so summer day indeed. And we're gonna go in for a swim in the lake today. Yes, and I just measured also the temperature in the water. It is 16 degrees Celsius in the water in the Lake Drevviken, so same as in the air. It's just fascinating how cold the water has become so quickly indeed. It is almost 6 p.m. and not so much sun today on site. And here I'm here in Sköndal, and now it's time to hit the waters and go in for a swim at this foresty, rocky place in the nature. The water seems nice, and we're gonna have definitely fun time enjoying as well. And beach day number 85 is today on my Sweden beach adventures. And another spontaneous nude beach spot spotted here in Stockholm. All right, so ready, set, and go. Amazing indeed. Last week I was just around the corner on an even more remote spot, but you can see it's quite off from the main road, and it's facing on the other end. We have Stockholm, I think the area called. So yeah, nice evening swim in the lake Drevviken here in Stockholm indeed, with nice view as well. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot warmer this weekend, and yes, I didn't mention that today is 8th of July, and Wednesday, so it's gonna be very nice swim even here today. So it's then time to wrap up this episode from Sköndal, and for me to enjoy a longer swim. But thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure from the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.